If you pay close attention to how fractals form in the market, you will face situations where two or more pitchforks intersect. Any of the pitchfork's minor or major lines can contribute to making these intersections. The intersection of these lines, which I call X-spots, may lead to the formation of potential price reversal zones. You should be aware that not all of these intersections are significant to us, and you should only pay attention to those in the probable path of price movement. In the following, you will get to know instances of such areas. In this picture, a standard pitchfork is drawn according to pivots 2, 3, and A. Then, due to the successive price swings, new pivots B and C were made. Then a standard mini pitchfork can also be drawn with the help of three pivots, A, B, and C. Pay attention to the different intersections of these two pitchforks. These intersections are made with the help of the main pitchfork's median line and the mini pitchfork's lower parallel line, point 4, the median line of the mini pitchfork, point 5, and the mini pitchfork's upper parallel line at point 6, respectively. In your opinion, which of points 4, 5, and 6 are more important? If you pay attention to the direction of the price movement, you will realize that it is quite improbable that the price will choose point 4 as its target, but point 5 seems to be the most logical choice, since it matches the slope of price movement. Therefore, the price behavior should be evaluated closely around this area, to see whether a reversal signal is issued. Concerning point 6, you should note that if the market manages to break the upper parallel line of the mini pitchfork and continue its path within the main pitchfork, it may play an essential role as a significant support area. In addition, it can serve as a powerful resistance, if the median line of the mini pitchfork fails to hold the price. In any case, you should always pinpoint the most important X spots on the chart according to the direction and slope of the price movement and then monitor the price reaction around that area to devise suitable trading strategies. Remember that pitchforks might collide in a variety of conditions. Many subsidiary lines of a pitchfork, such as warning lines, trigger lines, and sliding parallel lines, can also participate in the formation of X spots. Here on the Ethereum chart, two pitchforks with different slopes have been displayed. The first pitchfork, which is more extensive, is a standard shift, drawn using three pivots, A, B, and C. In the following, a smaller classic pitchfork is also drawn using D, E, and F pivots. As you can see, the intersection of these two pitchforks has made an X spot, which has the potential to reverse the price trend. In addition, a head and shoulder pattern has also been formed, the neckline of which has also been broken. Many traders set their take-profit level equal to the distance from the head to the neckline, extending from the breakout point. This level is located near the intersection of two pitchforks, which can double the chance of a price reversal. You can see that the price followed our forecast, and the magnetic power of the median lines of these two pitchforks affected the price. Therefore, we should carefully monitor the price reaction around this area and see whether there is any evidence of a price recovery. As you can see, the first bearish candle closes exactly above this intersection, which might be absolutely random. Still, when this reaction is repeated in the same way for the next four candles, we can confidently claim that this area has a high potential to reverse the price action, at least in the short term. When we switch to the daily time frame, this price recovery, which is accompanied by forming three lower fractals with successively higher lows, is quite evident. Therefore, you can go long after forming this bullish setup and place your stop loss below the farthest fractal to the current movement of the price. Regarding the take-profit level, you should consider that this is a counter-trend trade. Therefore, picking that level should be done with a little more caution. For this purpose, we draw another pitchfork from the specified pivots on the chart. As you can see, the price has shown appropriate reactions to this pitchfork several times and even participated in forming the X spot. I intentionally did not draw this pitchfork at first, to avoid cluttering the chart. Therefore, the upper parallel line of this pitchfork can be an excellent place to put our take-profit level. You can see an X spot where the two pitchforks intersect in this example. After reaching that area, the price immediately reacted to it and quickly moved away from that zone. Therefore, after forming this evening star pattern, consisting of a powerful bullish candle, a spinning top doji, and the combination of these two bearish candles, you can enter into a sell trade and set the stop loss above the fractal formed at the point of intersection. As mentioned earlier, after the price leaves the boundaries of a pitchfork, the intersection of the warning lines of two or more pitchforks can also affect the price movement and even provide us with reasonable take-profit levels. Here, consecutive bearish candles signal that the previous decline has resumed after a temporary correction, so it is expected that the price will see lower levels. Therefore, with the help of a sound money management plan, we can place 3 take-profit levels at the specified intersections between the different warning lines of these 2 pitchforks. As can be seen, the price has reached all 3 levels. Subsequently, the price began to rebound specifically from this point, which is an interesting development in this case. Then, after forming a reversal pattern, it started a new uptrend. If you remember from the previous chapter, we talked in detail about sliding parallel lines and became aware of their crucial influence on how the market fluctuates. Here the price has reached the 3rd sliding parallel line of a standard pitchfork, which has also shown good reactions to its last 2 sliding lines. However, if we want to deepen our analysis, we can draw a modified shift pitchfork that the price has historically reacted quite well to its median line. When we draw the warning lines of this particular pitchfork, we notice that the second warning line makes an X spot with the 3rd sliding line of the previous pitchfork, which is precisely within the price trajectory. As expected, the price has reacted brilliantly to that area and has started its downtrend by forming a powerful bearish candle. Following, you can use the second X spot marked on the chart as a place to exit all or part of your trades. I strongly advise you to employ Elliott waves and harmonic patterns in conjunction with pitchfork intersections, to pinpoint the exact point at which the waves terminate. As a result, you will develop a trading plan to guarantee success. Finally, if you think these ideas will help you better your trading career, please support us by clicking the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can create a small but lively community of successful traders. Thanks for watching.